So far, I've had three main placements. I'm on my third placement at the moment on an adult acute assessment ward for mental health. I've been on an older adult ward as well, working with patients with dementia, as well as with a community mental health team. They've been my mental health placements. I've also done a placement on an adult surgical ward and a children's dental ward as well. They've all been really different. They've all been really enjoyable, and I've learned different things in all of them. It's really good actually that you get a range of placements over the course. Whichever field of nursing you're studying, you'll experience a range of clinical areas that are going to help you develop similar skills, but also different clinical competencies as well in different areas. I couldn't say which one I've enjoyed the most because they've all been different and you learn different things in each one. What I have found though is the qualified staff and the support workers and other members of the multidisciplinary team have all been really supportive of students on placements, and that's really useful because I think that once I qualify, you get less opportunity to get experience of what a physiotherapist does or what an OT does or what the consultant does when he's not in your MDT or with your patient. But I've had the opportunity to spend time with other professions as well, which ultimately will make me a better nurse because when I need to refer patients, I know that it's a physio rather than an OT or a social worker rather than an OT. I know these things because of my placement experiences, and the mentors are really supportive. Mentors are really knowledgeable as well, and I ask so many questions of my mentors and the other staff, and there's no such thing as a stupid question because the stupid question is the one you don't ask. Even the one where I didn't know which way to put the commode seat in the commode, so I'd never seen one before, never used one before. It wasn't a stupid question because I didn't know, and if I'd done it wrong, it would have been messy, shall we say. And ask these questions. Mentors don't mind, and I think that sometimes, especially on your first placement, students are afraid to ask questions, and that just means then you don't achieve what you could have achieved on that placement. And come your second or third placement, you're then worrying about getting things done. Ask the questions, use the experience, use the knowledge, and enjoy all the placements because they're great. You'll make the most of them the more you put in.